Hello everyone. How to force dark mode on every website in Chrome. The steps are the same as in Edge because both browsers are built on Chromium. In the address bar, type Chrome, then add a colon, 2 slashes, and the word flags. Hit enter. Then type dark in the search flags field. The auto dark mode for web contents functionality appears. In the right drop-down menu, select the enabled option and then relaunch in the lower right corner. Chrome will now display all pages in dark mode. A short explanation. There are two different types of dark mode. Normal or user interface dark mode only changes the appearance of Chrome's interface. Pages that don't support dark mode remain in light mode. Forced dark mode forcibly darkens all websites, even those that don't have dark mode installed. This feature uses experimental flags. It's safe for normal browsing, but some websites may display incorrect colors or layout. If you're working with sensitive information like online banking, consider switching back to regular dark mode for maximum stability. And that's it. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.